What's up? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Oh my God. How is your day moving for you guys? Tell me, how are you feeling today? Even though that she got selfish ways, name you Ezra, because you're always helping me. Guys, it's always nice to have you. This is a Trading Assembly. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? Tell me, how is your day moving so far? How are you feeling? What special thing is happening for you tonight? I am trading binary options and I am on Brent oil chart. So let us see what it has for us tonight. Alex, good to see ya. Good to see ya. Okay, guys, let us execute ourselves and see how they go well. Zillion, what's up? What's up? Then come and go. All right. Beautiful. Our first entry for tonight has already closed in a plus, so we are anticipating a better night. Guys, tell me, how are you feeling? How are you feeling? It's a crazy day. It's a beautiful day. And I like your mama, even though that she got selfish ways. Name you Ezra, because you're always helping me. Zillion. All right, guys, let's move. Let's move. Tell me, did you look at your charts today? Or you're just enjoying your weekend? Because why not? Andy, what's up? What's up? Divine, good to see you all. Good to see you all. Pavan, what's up? What's up? What's up? The night is already moving for us. We are not wasting any time. I mean, we are doing what brought us to do. Like I always say, guys, as long as the markets are still here, we are going to show up every now and then and execute these trades, because why not? If it's not us, then who? Anita, good to see ya. Good to see ya. Godwin in the building. Good to see you all, guys. Hey. Guys, you're not telling me, how is your day moving for you so far? How is your day moving for you? Hey. Bad things. There's a lot of bad things that I shouldn't be. Alexa, I see ya. She said, do you love me? I said, I only partly. She said, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed. Like my mama, I'm sorry. Oh my God, we take our first L. You know me. Mm-hmm. God's plan. Says, good to see ya, good to see ya, good to see ya all, guys. Cameron in the building, good to have you. Tell me, guys, how is your day moving for you so far? Did you execute any trades today? I mean, this is a trading assembly, guys. Somehow, did you spend your day today? All right, Divine, that is nice. That is nice. I'm glad you're seeing some improvement in your trading. I mean, that's how it should be. That's how it should be. I'm glad you're really making improvement for yourself. That's how it should be. Okay, guys, we have locked in another plus entry. They call me 11. Good to have you. What's up? What's up? Andy, you're asking if you would start with a fixed amount in trading. I'm not getting what you're trying to mean. Please make it clear. Guys, let us catch on this pullback. All right. It has moved well for us. We can do anything if you put a mind to it. Take your whole life when you put a light to it. Guys, this is a continuation entry. You can see we're previously moving in an uptrend. Yeah. And the market is already moving up again. So let's see if we can get more entries. I'm gonna take you taking your life seriously. Damn, this really went against us. Let us see. Let us try again. All right. We are finally moving again in our direction. What the hell? Crazy. Guys, whenever you are in an uptrend, the easiest way you can trade, and when you're a beginner, it is following the trend. You can see we have our buys are really moving well. We've been bagging some profits here. Damn, that's taken out. But the trend at this point, I still believe is still valid, being bullish. So let's see. The culture's key. You had a bad trade day. Sorry, my friend. Losses are really part of the game. And guys, whenever you take losses in the market, especially when you have a very bad trading day, yeah, I'm talking about those crazy losses you can take in the market whereby your losses are greater than your wins. Always find the reasons why the market ended up taking such a huge loss, so that the next time you're trading, you don't make the same mistakes again. That's how you turn into a professional trader, and that's how you learn to minimize your mistakes in the market and also understand the best moves that can really work for you. So for all those that really had a bad trading day, sorry about that. But let me hope you really know the reason why those losses were really coming up, especially huge losses. Usually they come for a reason. There is something that you've done. Okay. Raphael, the market was acting like a stepmother. I was not all stepmothers are bad. Do you all agree? Not all stepmothers are bad. So I don't know in which perspective you're meaning it was acting like a stepmother for you. I see you trying and I don't know how. timing, schedules on aligning. That's a sign, that's a sign. You are more than enough, enough, enough. Give me more and more each day. Guys, I am trading binary options and I am on Brent oil chart. So let's move, guys. Tell me what's good, as we are watching the market. The man, my dreams, you're really him. You do the little things. I'm down to do the little things. I'm down to do the little things. Yeah. I don't mind taking time, baby. I'm down to do the little things. All right, we locked in those sales. Guys, at this rate, you know my strategy is simple. It is price action, and I try to minimize my confluences as much as possible, not to complicate things, so that trading doesn't feel like homework, but it feels like something you can really enjoy to do as you're really getting the bag. That's how it should be. Tony, good to see ya. Alex, I see ya. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question that you want to know. Says, damn. Okay, Rufu, good to see ya. Jerome, good to see ya. Good to have you. If you come in like a rapture, when you see the conductor, hey. Guys, let's get these moves. Do I have a Telegram channel? Of course. There's a link in the description for my Telegram channel. Yeah, you can join so that you don't miss out on any communication and all the tips that I share in the group. Hey. Staranye. What's up? Guys, whenever you're picking a trading pair that you're really going to trade, me basically what I always consider is its movement. So if I come on the chart and I see the chart is really moving well and I can say I can get some moves, I'll go with that. Katikami in a rapture. Guys, did you execute any trades today? Did you look at your charts? You know, traders, as long as the markets are here, we have to look at our charts every now and then, because why not? If it's not us, then who? If it's not now, then when? That's the mindset you should have always as a trader. Guys, the way candles are forming here, guys, I'm really anticipating sellers in the market. We have had some good serious price rejection followed by an engulfing candlestick pattern. So let us see how these cells close. All right, beautiful. I can make it can. Make it rain on it. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. What do you mean? What? Like a baby, yo. Melveds, you looked at your charts? Is that what you mean? Oh my God. Crazy, crazy. Let's see if we can get other entries. Vincent, good to have you. Good to have you. Guys, this is a reminder while we are here, please try not to follow my trades because of the YouTube time lag. We may not have the same results because of the YouTube time lag. So while you're here, you're free to ask me any trading questions. And we learn as we're also catching up good vibes. So let me hope you're really enjoying the weekend first of all. Oh my. Guys, actually my day today has been beautiful. Except this trade is going against me right now. Oh my God. It's never interesting to take L's, that's a fact. The market I'm trading is binary options and I'm on Brent oil chart. Yeah, so let us see if we can get more entries. Easy, are you kidding me? Winnerize and boss. We have to give thanks, we're really supposed to be thankful. Blessings are from my life and very deal with the messages. Blessings are from my island. Versatile for the friends you like it. Binary options trading, guys, it's also like any other form of trading. We come on our charts and we execute buy and trade entries based on our strategy that we are really looking at. Yeah, and with binary options, our trades close with expiration time. And as you can see on my charts, my trades, whenever I execute them, they are really expiring after 15 seconds, and my candlesticks are 5 seconds also. So basically that is the knowledge about this binary options market. One time beat to them in a class and we bought them. Coming like a potion. Of course, guys, someone is talking about focus, but to be honest, there isn't any form of trading that doesn't really need focus. That's why I always encourage you guys to trade in a time. You have to pick the trading time that is you're really comfortable, or you really have a certain amount of time where you will look at the charts. Yeah, especially if you're trading binary options, you have to pick trading time that is in line with your daily life, so that's if you are really looking at the charts, you don't feel like you're rushing things because you have to focus. Timing is key in trading. Timing is very key in trading, and that timing is going to happen when you have some time to execute your entries. And for all those that are asking about what I always look out for on the charts, Whenever I'm looking at the charts, I'm basically looking out for my strategy, and my strategy is price action. So what I'm going to first consider is understanding the market direction. We all know it's going to influence you in a way that you execute your trades. If you are in an uptrend, you're going to look for buy trades, or maybe you can also take pullback trades. But I really encourage all beginners to first focus on just continuation entries. It is easier that way. I also look at market structure. Market structure is going to help you see the turning points in the market, and also understanding candlestick patterns. Candlestick patterns are going to show you if the market is either going into a reversal, a continuation, a pullback. So basically, whenever you looking at your charts, you should have such a mindset. Guys, this has been a beautiful bullish one. Let's see how it goes. Mm-mm. Oh my god. Okay, we're taken out by a pullback, and it's like the market is going back in the continuation. So let's wait and see if we can get more entries. Yes. Actually, you should be having that mindset. You should, every time you see candles printing on your charts, guys, every time you're seeing candles printing on your charts, you should always have something that you're thinking about. If you're in an uptrend, the market has broken structure, you can start anticipating a pullback. So whenever you see maybe a bearish doji, a bearish pin bar, bearish engulfing pattern on top of an uptrend, that is when your mind is going to start thinking of, if you consider taking pullback trades, you're going to start considering to look for such entries. Mm-mm-mm. That's why understanding market structure is also key, because it's going to influence your way of thinking whenever you're looking at the charts. So that's why you have to be locked in 24/7. Okay, you have to be locked in whenever you're looking at your charts, guys. That's why it's always nice to also have a serene environment whenever you're trading, to avoid getting distracted, because a simple distraction can make you miss a trade, or it can get you into a state where you want to chase after a trade. All that is not nice. But if you're really focused on the charts and maybe listening to music, or just you prefer a quiet environment, you'll not be missing out, and most of your trading mistakes will be reduced. Brent oil is unpredictable today. There isn't any day that we can predict the market. We just anticipate its movement and we move with that. That is the mindset you should have, guys. The key mindset is to have a probabilistic mindset that it may move like this or like this, because we can never be 100% that you can predict the market direction. Queen, good to see ya. How are you, my dear? We don't distract you. Of course, you don't. You can see that the time I'm really reading the comments, I take a break from the chat. I be taking a break as I look at your comments. Then after understanding them, then I get back. But the distraction right now I would be having, maybe if someone Maybe I have someone disturbing me around, but whenever I'm actually trading, I'm always alone. Yeah, I be alone whenever I am trading. I try not to be around people, especially I can be around a fellow trader, but at most I prefer being alone. That's a fact. So that I'm so locked in. All right, guys, let's lock in. Let's lock in. Someone comment lock in. Someone comment locked in. Let's move. Someone is saying 15-second chat does not forgive mistake. There is no chat that forgives mistake. Even if you're looking at a very big higher time frame, still it will not forgive your mistake if you made it. Crazy. Yeah, we are so locked in. Let's move. I cut my feet on the wedding ring in the movies. In a part of town, locust got envy. We don't care. We all caught up in your love affair, so we never be royals. Guys, tell me, whenever you're trading, how do you maintain a calm environment, or how do you avoid distractions? You can call me Queen Bee. Let me leave that fantasy. Oh my god. Damn. We really get invalidated trades there, guys. How do you guys, tell me, whenever you're trading, how do you maintain, how do you avoid distractions whenever you're trading? We don't care. LA. The colors Ruler, you can call me Queen Bee. Let me leave that fantasy. And I'm in love with being queen. Guys, I'm using Keltina channel indicator and I'm using it with its default settings. Yeah, I'm using it with its default settings. We're not complicating things here. Whenever you're trading, you do your level best to try to minimize things you have to look at whenever you're trading so that you focus on few things. Okay, guys, let's move. Oh my god. That wasn't fair. But it's not like the market cares about us. So let us see if we can get more entries. Here's on my laptop by myself. All right, that's nice. Guys, I want to know. Tell me, how do you manage, how do you cut all that distraction whenever you're trading? To be honest, I really don't like trading when I'm with like a group of people. I prefer being alone. I look at the charts. I be so locked in. And if I'm going to be with guys, I would prefer to be with fellow traders, of course. Because why not? Fellow traders. Like now, I'm with my fellow traders and I enjoy it that way. Omi, that's the beach move. I'm guessing you're a beach too. But I'm still riding, even if it is on. I know the difference locally, that's why I keep my eyes wide. With the midlife. The man, just wait on it. Rich and famous. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question that you want to know, because why not? Moonshine by the poolside. I wanna have a feast by the beach. I just send the money, I go on that fashion. Cause some niggas off and I'm making changes. Yeah, I don't have no patience. I'm on that, get this money, stay in my lane shit. That's so great, so great, so. Guys, the night is already moving well for us. We are really closing in some good profit. So you hit me up inside like the 4th of July. Guys, I have this question is coming from a comment I'm from seeing. Tell me, fellow traders in the building, can you take entries based on guesswork and they really turn out to be profitable? Yeah, let's have that discussion. Let us have that discussion as fellow traders. Can you just take entries based on guesswork and they work out for you? I want to hear your view. Traders in the building, I want to see more of your of your suggestion. Can you take trades based on guesswork and they work for you? All right, Cameron says hell now because of course it doesn't work that way. I don't know if you're a beginner or not, but with trading, honestly, you have to have a strategy, and on top of that, you have to practice it with discipline. Because trading is not a guesswork thing; it is a skill that you build over time. Yeah, right now it could seem like I'm doing it seamlessly, but I look at the charts, I understand market structure, because trading is not a game, it's actually something where you really have to put in your full focus. We be dealing with real money, and no one can play with their capital like that with guesswork. Yeah. There's a link in the description for the platform that I am using, guys. And this is our trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. Whenever you're around. Give me around. All right, let's move. Guys, my strategy is simple and I always share it on the stream, and I'm dropping more and more videos about it. So if you have not subscribed, you better, so that you don't miss out on my next videos, because more are coming up. King Paul, you're seeing that because of YouTube time lag. Okay, someone is asking about the donations. Most of my viewers, they ask me if I can really trade for them. So all those that want that to happen, there's a donation link in the description. You can use that. Yeah, you can use the link in the description to take part in the contest. And the minimum for it is 500 USD. Donations are not financial investment. They are just purely for trading purposes and learning as fellow traders, because that's what we always do on this stream. We are always catching up as traders and also learning from each other. And talking about that, guys, I forgot to manifest today. All right. All right, guys, I feel like the market is switching bullish. You can see this structure here, so let's see if it's going to be like that or not. You guys have started getting crazy. What do you mean? All the information about the donations is on the donation page. Yeah. So you can use the link in the description and you'll be guided from there. Husband material Hassan is not yet here. Hassan is on vacay, but us, we are not taking vacations now. So let us first get locked in the charts and we move. And guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading questions, anything you want to know about trading. We are already here locked in the charts. Like I said, as long as the markets are still here, we're going nowhere. We're going nowhere. We're locked in for life. For life. For life, guys. For life. There is no switching and no turning back. So let's see. I'm on the stage right now. Oh my god, these cells are moving crazy for us. They're moving crazy. No lashes, even better when you wake up. You wanna go out and date? Guys, can you share with me your worst trading moments? Honestly, that experience that we always have as traders and we always share, it's what keeps us in the market. So someone tell me what your worst trading day, how it felt, how it was. And the strategy I'm using right now is price action. And I really love understanding the market direction and also understanding market structure. It is really, really key for me. It influences most of my entries as a trader. Like I always tell you guys, market structure is really key and king. Yeah, it is easier for me to really base my entries on that. Because I mean, if we are in a downtrend and I see the market has broke structure to the downside, the first thing I'm going to think of is a pullback, because after a break of structure, you anticipate a pullback. Then I look for confluences that confirm pullbacks, and that is candlestick patterns. So you start looking out for those candlestick patterns that can confirm the line. I say you look good without no makeup. All right, let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I also like you too, guys. Oh my, crazy move there. Okay, guys, we are adding more cells. Let's see how it goes. All right. Sellers seem to be present in the market, so let's move. And anything, fatally, and only your enemy. Okay, Oh, another entry bagged. Structure is still bullish. Sorry, structure is still bearish until the previous strong high is taken out. That's when we can start considering. That's when we can start considering the market to have shifted bearish. This is a pull. This is a pullback entry, guys. A. We're already moving. We're already moving. Walk away. So you wanna play with magic? Guys, how is your night moving so far? How is your day moving so far? I'm really enjoying this. The night is moving smooth. Maybe it's you guys. It's you guys who are giving me. It's you guys who are giving me good vibes. So let's move. She's a beast. I call her karma. She beats your heart out like Jeffrey Dahmer. Be careful. Try not to lead her home. Shorty heart is on steroids because her love is so strong. You may fall in love if you need her. All right, Douglas, good to have you. Good to have you, Douglas. Good to have you. It's always nice to have you guys. Douglas from Brazil. Damn, crazy move there. Oh my god. You make it easy to choose. Can you feel it? Killer. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen, cooking up, get your own bread. Heart full of equity or an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Already blessed, you don't need no proof. Guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? You guys are naughty. Let us see how our buys go. Jerome, I'm not getting you. What you're saying? What you're saying? I'm not getting you. Hey, guys, tell me, how are you doing? I only stream on YouTube for now, and we are always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. So be sure to mark your attendance because we are always catching up good vibes and sharing as traders. So always make sure to be here on time, guys. You guys are so crazy. You're very, very crazy. But you know, guys, I'm a busy woman, I'm a busy lady, you know. We have to always get it. But we are locked in back in chat, so let's move. Let's move. Hey, oh my god, I love this song. So let us look in more. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question that you want to know. And I am trading binary options, of course. All right. All you have to do is to log in onto the chat so that when I explain a move, you can easily catch on. What's going on, love? What's your entry criteria? It seems that, guys, you love entries. Anyway, is there any trader who doesn't like entry criteria? But it is simple, guys. Like whenever you're trading, you just have to have like this on your mind whenever you're trading your strategy. So whenever you're looking out in the market, ensure that you are looking at ensure that you have that mindset that the first thing okay, I'm explaining this in line with my strategy because I know all traders, we have different strategies, but in line with my strategy, whenever I'm looking at the charts, I have a mindset of first understanding the trend, the market direction. If you are in a downtrend, that means that your mind should be 100% influenced to think that to execute sell trades, because whenever it is easier to trade following that trend. So the other thing I always look out for is market structure. So what makes a trend valid? For example, a downtrend, it being constantly breaking previous lows. So whenever the market breaks a previous low, you anticipate a pullback. And that pullback is supposed to happen that it doesn't break the previous high. If it breaks the previous high, you can start anticipating buyers in the markets. Yeah, that is what you always do. That's what you always do. And this is a reminder, guys, there's no strategy that is 100%. Yes, the strategy I'm sharing right now, I cannot guarantee that it's going to give you always 100% in the market, but you have to ensure at least it gives you, if you get at least 80%, 70%, that is fair enough compared to just trading exactly without any strategy at all. And that's how trading should be, having a probabilistic mindset that you're not going to get 100%, and even sometimes everything could be in line with your strategy, but still the market is since the market is unique and every moment in it is new, still your trades may get invalidated because that is the market. Yeah, so let me hope I've answered you, my friend, who was asking about the entries. Let me hope I've answered you. I'm gonna love you. Guys, there's a link in the description for the trading platform that I'm using. And all those that are asking about the donations, I just be trading for people who want me to trade for them. And all the information is on the donation page, so you can use it. There's a link in the description for it. Yeah, and if you need extra help, you can reach out to me via my Telegram and you'll be guided. And I'm trading binary options. I'm on Brent or OTC chart. So let's move. It's a beautiful night. So I'm anticipating more positive trades. So let's see. And this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question that you want to know. Do you have a daily trading goal? Okay, guys, when it comes to that, to be honest, when I was still starting out to trade, of course, you always have those daily goals that you want to hit. But now my mindset, according to my trading goals, if you are asking in terms of hitting, in terms of the profit to make, I normally have a goal for like a month. Yeah, I prefer to do it like that, having a general monthly goal. But as a trader, you're free to set your goals based on how you feel and how you want to trade. You can set a daily goal. Yes, I've ever been there and I used to set daily goals. It reached, I would set weekly. Now I set monthly, quarterly, like that. It depends on my overall life goals sometimes. That's how I do it. So tell me, guys, how do you set your trading goals? Now, since you asked, how do you set your trading goals? Do you set daily, monthly, weekly? How do you do it yourselves? Or you haven't started setting those goals yet? Guys, let us first secure our profits for tonight. Then we get into the donations. Who's ready for the donation? Someone comment ready. We get into that. Who's ready? All right, all right. If you sent a screenshot in Telegram, you're surely in the right place. Yeah, your name is already on the list, Kalim. Guys, someone comment ready because we are now in for the donations. And you know how we do it. We execute trades, but we wait patiently for moves to be in line with our strategy. That's how we do it. We don't rush things. We have to do things in a mechanical way. Daily. Oh my God. You set daily goals. Okay, that is nice. That is nice to set daily trading goals. And as you grow as a trader, you find yourself setting monthly. Oh my God, look at this crazy candle. Damn. Oh my God. We are taken out on our first attempt, and you know how we do it, guys. If I take an L on the first attempt, I refund and try again. So let us try again and see. Oh my God, what do you mean? The goal is not to blow your account 2 times in a week. Actually, that is really nice, but actually it should be reduced to not blowing your account at all. But if you said that, actually it is nice to consider it. But 2 times is a lot. You need to work on your discipline, my friend Raphael. Wow, this is some beautiful downtrend, guys. Look at it. Let's see what the market has for us. Yeah, it's always such. I love markets that give us some clear market structure. So let us sell again and see how it goes. Oh my God! Oh my God! It's like buyers are coming back crazy. They have invalidated our sales. Damn! Oh my God! Damn! Oh my God! It's crazy. Seems like buyers want to switch structure. Sorry about that, guys. Let us move on to our next. Let me say I need tampon. Okay, let's move on to our next. We are only anticipating the best. Yeah, let us look in for another move. Special, this is my core. To drop it out, and this is my fourth. I don't put sugar in my spaghetti sauce. Drop a freestyle and get these hoes perched. Fire burn. All right, you're already having movement in our direction, guys. Yeah, it's really nice. It's really nice to execute trades and they immediately go in your direction. Okay, first attempt, we are locked in. Who's Monica? I switched it up. I switched it up. All right. That's some crazy rejection there. Beautiful move. Already in 2 attempts and we have hit the targets. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations to our participant, guys. This has really moved well for us. Let me see more congratulations, and you know how we do it. Excuse me. Guys, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations, and you know how we do it. Everything goes to our participant. Don't fall for the games. He said, she said, dumb shit. I got a whole lot of names. But I throw them away. Cause I think I'm unlucky. Could be the Mary Jane. Thank you guys. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question, guys. Hey. We move on to our next. Can it ask us more to love? Been around money, been around some names, but Chico's still the same. Some things never change. Here's the tip: show me your friends, I'll show you your future. Keep the change. I've seen them come and go. I've seen them sell their souls. You were number one draft pick. Oh, Hassan, what's up? Where have you been? Good to have you. Dream XD, good to see ya. Guys, we are locked in onto our next. Mosh, good to have you. You're not late, you're just on time. Guys, let's move. Already locked in. We move on to our second. Mommy, you got some man. Misery loves company. I'll tell you one. I got a whole lot of names and a whole lot of numbers, but I throw them away because I think I'm unlucky. Could be the Mary Jane. But I know what this could be. Guys, whenever you're trading, you should always ensure that you're patient enough to wait for a move to come to you. Because moments in the market, every time you're going to see a candlestick pattern or a candle printing on the charts, you're going to really be assuming there is a move. But it's better to always wait for moves that are really at least giving you 3 confluences in your strategy. Then you execute. Yeah, I know sometimes, especially if you're a beginner, you find it so hard to see confluences at once. But the more you are consistent and show up for yourself, the more you cut on your time to understand these markets and also start seeing the moves. That's a fact. I'm sharing this from my own experience as a trader who first spent her first 1.5 years just playing around. And I had to lock in because everyone I started with had started seeing results. and it was affecting me, honestly. All right, guys. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations. I'ma show you how. Left foot slide. Yes, you had that. That's how it should be. To be honest, if you're not consistent, then you're not yet a trader. You're just anticipating to become one. Dance with me, yeah. And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. Get right foot arm, left foot slide. Right foot slide. Best for me, I'm saying either way we gotta slide. 2,000 shorties wanna tie the knot. 200 shooters on my brother's block. Pedal off the roads like I mean, maybe no. I don't know what's wrong with me, I can't stop. Won't stop. Never stop. Got so many ops, I've been mistaken. You're welcome, and that's how it should be. As long as you're learning, that means we are doing the right thing. This trading assembly is about learning and also catching up, sharing experience as traders. Because the more you get to hear from fellow traders, the more you realize that trading, everything is possible and anything can happen in the market. So you shouldn't just give up. Basically, I'm saying either way we about to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Juicy slide, then I hit it double time. Then I hit a spin. Cause we spun that block a couple times. If it's not the right time, it'll always be another time. I'm not even tripping with the same in the summertime. Oh, yeah. Can't describe the pressure I be feeling on myself, yeah. Really, I just can't afford to lose nobody else. If they move shaky, we just do the shit ourselves, yeah. If I'm over shaky, Chelsea do the shit himself, yeah. So low, yellow for real. Guys, we are locked in onto our next. Black leather glove, no sick. Black pajama jacket is a lick shit. I'ma show you how. Left foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we both slide. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you the passion. It's a thriller in the track. Oh my god, that was some crazy candle from Sellers. Damn. Okay guys, you know how we do it. Let us refund and try again. Whenever we take an L on the first attempt, we refund and try again. That was some crazy candle that took us out. You try the strategy and it was like, wow, I'll now practice. Yeah, you have to keep, trading is a skill that you have to build. It's a skill that you build. So the more you practice and you be consistent, the better it gets. That's how it is. The better it gets. So you have to keep practicing. I really love entries that you execute and they go in your direction without hesitation. So let's look for another attempt, our second attempt. Second attempt. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question that you want to know. And let me hope we are all locked in for live. Yeah, so that when I'm explaining a move, you can easily catch on. Meant to. I just seem satisfied through the weekend. On the weekend. Wow. Then just send him my way. It's always a good feeling when all your entries, when you execute an entry and it immediately goes in your direction without seeing any kind of going against it. Guys, type congratulations. Type congratulations. Type congratulations. Let me see. Type congratulations. My man is your man. My question is, how are you this beautiful? You guys. Thank you. I mean, it is God's plan. Through the weekend, you're like 9 to 5. It's God's plan. Then you send him my way. Weekend. Okay, guys, let's move. We only need one attempt for this. So let's see how it goes. Then just send him my way. Damn. This has really played around us. I hope that you get everything you want and that you chose. I hope that it's the realest thing that you ever know. Hope you get the pretty girls that's pretty at everything. $1 million cribs, have $1 million dreams. Let us refund and try again. Remember one thing, one man could change the world. Hello from Japan. Oh, good to have you. How are you doing? Yeah, the market is always crazy, guys. It really overplayed around our move. Let's see if we can get another move. My stepbrother used to flip them bags outside the crib like it was trash day. No Kim K, but he back, yeah. But when you get it fast, money slow down, don't crash. With all the drive in the world, swear you still need gas. Look, think about it. Close your eyes, dream about it, tell your team about it. Go make $1 million schemes about it. Success is on the way, I feel it in the distance. Used to look up at the stars. Okay, guys, let us try to cruise with this upward movement. And if you love your stars, then you'll never be alone. All right, we are locked in. Let me see you type congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Beautiful. Guys, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see type congratulations. Yeah, it seems like we are having a pullback is kicking in. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. Thank you, Hassan. Thank you, Hassan. You're the best. Down again, do the most. I do whatever I do whenever I'm doing contest, whenever I'm doing donations, I do it based on the contestants. Once the contestant wanted one attempt, and that's what exactly I did. TTM, good to see ya. Offer Academy, good to have you. Change the world. Guys, let me see you type more congratulations. Let me see you type more congratulations. One man can change the world. Yeah, that's how we do it. That's how we do it. We move on to our next. One man can change the world. The son of my vein.